Hello kids, how are you? I miss you a lot. Okay, now today we are going to see multiplication, but I am going to teach you a simple trick how to multiply two-digit number by two-digit number, but in a simple way. This is going to help you in solving multiplication sums in scholarship within a span of time. Okay, so let us see the trick, and you have to practice, go on practicing these sums daily, 5 sums. Okay, let us now one number 82 multiplied by 67. Okay, now I am going to show you multiplication of two-digit number by two-digit number. This last place is called as units place, then it's tens. First step, what you have to do? First step, multiply the units place. Multiply. So 2 sevens are 14. Yes, 14. How to write 14? 14. Go to write it down. 1. Keep it aside. Then you have to do cross multiplication. Cross means 8 sevens are. Now 8 sevens are. What is 8 sevens are? 8 sevens are is 56. Right. After that, what we will do? Now we will multiply this. We will cross multiply this. Now 2 6 are. First we multiplied tens. 8 sevens are we did 56 plus now 2 6 are. 2 6 are is 12. Add it. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. It's 68, and this one number is remaining. So 68 plus 1 means it becomes 69. So 9 I will write over here. Again 6 remains. Now you multiply the tens side. 8 6 are. Now 8 6 are is 48. 48 plus 6. 48 plus 6 is 54. So this is my answer. Have you understood it? Let's go to a second question. Again I will write tens, units. Here I will take the number as 70 multiplied by 37. Again the same procedure. First we will multiply the unit side. 0 sevens are, it's 0. Now 0 is a single digit number, so no carried number. So 0 sevens are is 0. Second step, we will cross multiply. 7 sevens are 49 plus. Again this one is remaining for multiplying cross multiplication. For doing cross multiplication, 0 3s is 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. Now my answer is 49 plus 0. When any number added to 0, the number remains the same. So it's 49. In this 49, 9 I will write it down and 4 I will write it aside. Now I will multiply the tens place, only tens place. 7 3s are. 7 3s are is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. So this is my answer. Let's go to a third sum. (61) multiplied by 23. Okay. Again, first step, as usual, multiply the units place. 1 3s are 3. Again it's a single digit number, so no need of carried on number. Next we will do Cross multiplication. 6 3s are 18. We'll write it aside. Plus. Again this cross multiplication we will do. 1 2s are 2. So my answer is 18 plus 2 is 20. Units place I'll write it down. 2 carried on. Now we will multiply the tens place. 6 2s are 12 plus 2 is 14. So this is my answer. Now we'll go on to the fourth sum. (72) multiplied by 43. Again same. First we will multiply the units place. 2 3s are 6. Again it's a single digit number, so it will be written in the units place. Second step, cross multiplication. 7 3s are 21 plus next cross multiplication. 4 2s are 8. Now 21 plus 8 is 29. 9 I will write it over here. Fourth step is multiply the tens place. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 2. This 2 carried on. 28 plus 2 is 30. So this is my answer. Now we will recall what are the steps. So first step, multiply units. Second step, cross multiply. Third step, again cross multiply. Fourth step, multiply tens, and we will get the final answer. This way, if we will follow this method, we are going to solve these sums easily, and it will save your time of solving sums in scholarship, because in scholarship you are getting very limited time and you have to solve the sums very quickly. So for solving the sums, multiplication sums quickly, this is the easiest method. So children, practice this type of sums and stay home, stay safe and keep studying.